Good day. Today I'm going to address something that may come up if you're using SMS colors. And so let us say that you have a customer who doesn't like any of the colors of the SMS color palette. Let's say that you have decided that the customer needs colors that need to be printed in CMYK on both coated and uncoated paper. So you want to use the standard SMS color palette, and for some reason your customer or perhaps you yourself, you don't like actually any of the 2607 colors of the color palette. So what you can do is to actually mix and make your own SMS standard color. The only thing you need to make sure of is to only use the color space of the SMS standard color palette. And what you do basically is that you open your ASE palette of the standard palette that you see here, and you can use any display you like. I like this display since I can see the colors and I can see the names of the colors as well. If I need to write down which colors I used. And so let's just get down to it. So you can do this in Photoshop, for instance. I like to use Photoshop, of course. Just make a new document like this in sRGB format. And what you do is that you, let's see, I'm no Photoshop expert, but let's see, we go to layer style, and gradient overlay. This is at least one way you can use to create a gradient. Then you get this window, and so gradient overlay, double click on the gradient, and you see these two colors here on the left and the right. So I'm going to pick two SMS colors from my color palette. Let's just pick this one. Okay, I'm gonna put the red one right here at the left end, like this. And then I'm going to select the right end, and I'm going to pick some other SMS color. Let's say if I want a little bit blue-gray, like this. You see the gradient right here. It's actually from red to the blue-gray color. You can pick any colors you like. You know, this is just an example of how this can be done. So just check, okay, and we are at 0% here. So we have a nice gradient. This is I use 8-bit, not 32-bit or 24-bit. You know, it's simply easier. And okay, let's see. Maybe I was supposed to. Yeah, I need to fill it up like this. You can fill it up with any color you like and then create the gradient. And you see on the left we have the red SMS color, on the right we have the blue-gray one, and in the middle we have gradients from red to gray-blue. And let's say that you like, just use the eyedropper like this. You see the color down here, and you can, but just to be on the safe side. Now we are working with the standard system, as I mentioned, and just to be absolutely sure that you don't pick a color that is out of gamut, you go to color settings, and in the case of the standard colors, the most sensitive CMYK color gamut you want to use is the PSO encoded. Let me show you here. You go to settings and we pick out the PSO encoded version 3, Photograph 52. That is paper, encoded paper that contains a lot of optical brighteners, and we want to check if the colors that we are working with are in fact in gamut. And we use the absolute colorimetric rendering intent, as always when you're working with SMS colors. Check here, check, yeah, we have the gamut warning on. If any of those colors were out of gamut, you would see like a warning. So all these colors are in gamut, so you just pick out the color you like, take a look. Pick up any color on the way, you see? And if you fancy this one here, okay. Then you create a new document. New document, it's RGB color. We have the sRGB color space selected already. Okay. And what you do, fill it like this. And you can save a copy. Or maybe we could even name it. So let's just name it SMS custom color or whatever you like this. And yeah, okay, like this. Save it, save a copy as whatever. I'm gonna save it in PNG format or maybe PDF. Yeah, let's save it as a PDF. That's the best and safest format of them all. Usually, my color, my custom SMS color. Save it. Save. And then you can, of course, add this color to your swatches and start working with it as usual. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.